Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is disk calendar for 2023 with photo frame, but these files are protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri Escape. Buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, Sheri Escape. Follow this, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri Escape Visual. Okay, here is a preview. I think basically these files are in Russian language, but you can write in English or your own mother language. Okay, like a happy holiday, a Christmas, I think a February, April, May, June, July, August, October, and here is November, and last is December. I think this is December. Okay, I can't understand about Russian language. Open this one. This file is 889 MB. Reading Photoshop format. Okay, first is just for a thumbnail. Okay, you see here is our month. You change here, select there. Okay, here is our dates, and here is just a background. You see here. Okay, I hope you understand how can edit this. I think this is a December or first of month. Okay, now I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.